guys, autofanatic. So it's early Saturday morning. I'm just going to shoot this quick clip just as a little introduction to what's going on. If you guys have followed my Instagram or even my last video, autofanatic car care is now listed on Amazon. This is a trial run. Been working on this for a couple of months, and we pretty much want to gauge to see if we could use Amazon as our main distribution channel to take the load and stress off us doing all the fulfillment with thousands of orders every month. So the situation that brought us to this decision is the cost of packing, the boxes, the materials are through the roof. On a busy month, I'm spending anywhere between $16,000 to $32,000 a month in boxes, peanuts, tape, foam, everything across the board. So it's just becoming a little bit too much. The product line was launched exactly a year ago, October of 2018. It is blown up around the world. We have thousands and thousands of customers, not only in the United States, but in countries as far as New Zealand, Australia, the Philippines, United Kingdom, every country you could imagine, they're rocking autofanatic, and that's thanks to my YouTube channel. So that's why I want to post this little video up there now. So the situation with Amazon, I did not change the pricing, so we're still using the same pricing that has been on the web store since the inception. What we're starting to find out now, the couple of days that the sales have been coming through, is that their percentage of what they take, there's FBA fees, there's the Amazon fulfillment fees, there's storage fees, there's all these other fees taken in. So they're taking about 60% off the retail price. So what's happening now is that everything that's going to be sold on Amazon during this trial run, there is zero profit going into my pocket. This is my investment into the brand for exposure, to get guys that live in other parts of the country that the shipping was cost prohibitive for them to buy the products. Now it's going to enable you guys to get it, try it, love it, and then moving forward, we're going to have to come up with a game plan. There's a very high probability that the pricing of all the products is going to have to go up if we continue to stay on Amazon, because I can't continue to produce product and break even on it. That's just not a successful business model for anybody today. So head over to Amazon now. Like I said, what we need from you guys is you place your order, but we also need 5-star positive reviews on all the products here, from the 007 Gloss Enhancer, the new professional wheel cleaning foam, 007 Snowstorm, and Ultimate Secret Weapon single step. Because the way this works is they need positive reviews, they need more transactions to boost the search algorithm into Amazon so people can find it. This is not only for you guys to find it. When you type in autofanatic, it'll just type in the keywords, but also potential customers that aren't fans of my Instagram or social media and YouTube, they may be able to find it and backlink to the channel and see the videos and see the demonstrations as well. So it's all about building SEO, and I've done a really, really good job of it on my own this past year with Google and with other means. But like I said, we want this to be successful. I want this to be successful going forward. If I can manufacture high production runs and send all the pallets of product to Amazon to distribute, and it actually is profitable as a business model, that will be the end goal. And then all the other stuff that's on the web store, foamers, modified wash mop kits, special bundle packs, we're still going to be doing that through the web store. But if you guys want to go on Amazon today, and let's say you want an autofanatic 007 4-pack, you could place 4 of them in your cart, and with Prime shipping, it's going to be about the same price as if you bought it through the web store, probably less. Same thing with the wheel cleaning foam. You're not going to pay shipping on any of this. This is all Amazon Prime. Very limited stock. This may last maybe to the end of this month, depending on what's going to be going on with sales. But head over there now. If you guys can't find the products, in the description of this video right now, I'm going to have a link to each individual product. You could click the description below this video, and it'll take you right to Amazon, right to the page, because like I said, a lot of customers have been emailing. They can't find the products in the search queue, and that's because it's a newly listed product line, and there's not enough sales and not enough SEO built up for a lot of customers to find it, depending on where they're coming from. So listen, I appreciate the continued support. This is super important. This is a huge step for me as the business, as the brand. This totally just spiraled into what we have here today. I never thought that any of this stuff was ever going to do more than what I've done, and it's just unbelievable. So I have a lot of new exciting products that I'm working on. The products are in testing now. I've been testing for the last 9 months. We have an autofanatic waterless wash. The stuff is incredible, and like I said, this is all going to be possibly released depending on the success of this Amazon campaign and how much we can make this work. Also have a tire dressing. I also am working on a very specific SiO2 ceramic coating. So I got a lot of stuff that I'm doing behind the scenes. Everything that comes in gets reinvested. I love the challenge. I love the creation. I love the execution of doing all this stuff. And, you know, dealing with fans around the world, it's a lot of fun and a lot of good stuff. So stay positive. Thanks for the support. Head over to Amazon now. Click the links in the description of this video below. Let's see how this goes. I'll gauge the reports at the end of this month, and we'll see how we're going to go forward with this. But there's most likely going to be a price increase, or if we can't work that out, if customers are not going to willing to pay the price increase, then we're going to have to pull it off Amazon completely and start just going back to the usual of selling it on our web store as well, and you guys are going to have to pay the shipping. There's just nothing else we could do about it, because I can't be in business of manufacturing thousands and thousands of items just to break even every month. That's just not going to make sense today. So see you guys soon. Please set your notifications for the next AutoFanatic video. I'm going to let this video ride out for about a week, and back to regular automotive content soon. So see you soon. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Please visit auto-fanatic.com to visit the web store, and also head over to Amazon and visit the AutoFanatic product listings below. So I'll see you guys soon, and stay tuned for the next video.